Hi, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com in Houston, Texas. And in today's video, I wanted to answer the question, how much of my paycheck will I get to keep if I get served an IRS wage levy, also known as a wage garnishment? The answer to that question is, as in many things in life, it depends. If you get served with an IRS wage levy, also known as a wage garnishment, the IRS is going to send you through your employer a form known as a 668W. When you complete that form, you're basically telling the IRS how many people in your family, based upon when you last filed your tax return or when you're going to file your tax return. It could be that there's just you in your family as a single person. It could be that there's multiple people in your family. It could be a spouse. It could be children. It could be other dependents that are on your tax return. But the information used on that Form 668W is going to determine how much of your paycheck you're eligible to keep. If you're a single person, you're going to get a personal exemption for yourself of about $4,000. That's $4,000. And you're going to get a standard deduction of about $6,000. If you've got multiple people in your household, then you're going to get a standard deduction of about $12,000. And you're going to get a personal exemption for about $4,000 per dependent. And then what the IRS does, the way the tables work, is they're going to add up the total personal exemption amount, the total standard deduction amount, and then divide it the way you get paid. If you get paid monthly, it's going to divide it by 12. If you get paid semi-monthly, it's going to get paid divided by 24. If you get paid bi-weekly, it's going to get divided by 26. And if you get paid weekly, it'll be divided, say, by 52 weeks. What that really means is, depending upon how much you are earning relative to how much the IRS is going to allow you to keep, that's going to determine how much of the money that you get to keep based upon the calculation and how much goes to the IRS. For example, if the calculated amount that you get to keep, let's just say, is $1,000, and you're only earning about $800 per this pay period, the IRS gets nothing. In the same example, if the calculated amount that you get to keep per pay period is $1,000 and you are earning $3,000, the IRS will get the amount above and beyond the $1,000. In this example, they would get $2,000. So it might be that the IRS gets a small amount of your paycheck, and I've seen that happen before. It might be that the IRS gets none of your paycheck, depends upon what you're earning. They probably are going to get something if you earn above the amount allowed. So to answer the question in today's video, how much of my paycheck am I going to be allowed to keep? How much is the IRS going to receive? It depends. It really ultimately depends upon the number of people in your family and whether you properly complete the Form 668W, telling the IRS, telling your employer what the number of people in your family are. That's it for today's video. If you have an immediate need or question, give us a call at the office, 713-726-1603. Alternatively, look us up on the web, SolveMyTaxProblems.com. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again real soon.